Wait, what?
I have never, because...
Ah, no, guys, no, but I thought everybody has, man. No.
No.
I have actually, in an intercube bus.
What? Hello, Sunny Bonani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Thenjiwe. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. It means a lot to me. It's the best thing you can ever do for me. Subscribe.
Subscribe to this channel.
Yeah. And I'm with my fellow love technician, Long John.
The comedian.
We're gonna play a game. You guys know what game it is.
Well, what is it?
So I don't know what it's hoping for.
Chess?
I don't know what it's hoping for.
Oh no! This game, no!
We are gonna play Never Have I Ever.
No!
Here's yours.
Oh my god.
So if you have...
Oh no, this is not, I was not ready for this, guys.
Now you are. Now you are.
Why did I come here?
Okay, choose which ones you want. This pine, or do you want the purple or the pink?
Purple, purple is fine.
Okay.
Purple is fine. Let's do purple.
Shall I just do them randomly?
Randomly, I don't want to know. Just ask me. Do I have to be honest? Do I need to be? Do I need the Bible? Do I need the Bible to do like I swear?
Swear to the comedy gods.
Yeah, I swear to the comedy gods to be truthful in every answer, except these ones.
Okay, you have to be honest. You know the game. The rules. The rules are very easy.
I know the game.
Never have I ever made out with a stranger.
Wait, what?
I have never, because...
Ah, no, guys, no, but I thought everybody has, man. No.
No.
I have actually, in an intercube bus.
What? I have to that one. In a bus full of people.
Yeah.
Going from where to where?
It was actually coming to Devon. So not this time, but some other time.
From Johannesburg to Devon?
Johannesburg, yeah.
How?
We just spoke, you know. Is
it that long that you can just throw it to the next seat?
No, it's just like, we're just like, well, let's just do it. Guys, I'm smooth.
And you did? And nobody...
No, because it was, you know those big ones, double decker, and there's the front seat, right? So nobody can see you, and it was dark. So we just did the thing.
The risk you take in life.
No, it was for comedy. It's because I knew I was gonna do this thing.
You wanted to write a set for it.
Set, exactly, and then now it's for you. It was for you.
Best comedy comes out.
It was for you.
We appreciate you.
Oh my god, why am I
Never have I ever puked on someone while hooking up with them.
No. Oh, no.
Not yet.
Not yet, guys.
Never have I ever been in handcuffs for any reason.
No, I've never. Ah, I want to know.
It says for any reason. I was acting.
No. What were
acting.
you acting in? Because there's this thing called role playing.
No.
Acting.
No, I was acting in a movie.
Yeah.
I was acting in a movie.
So
but I've been arrested.
Really?
Yeah, but I was never put in handcuffs when I got arrested.
Alright. Wow, they trust you so much.
But the question is not about me.
Yeah.
So we'll leave that for another
no, okay.
That's for another video.
Okay.
Never have I ever sniffed my underwear to see if it's clean or dirty. I do it all the time.
I did it today. I'm laughing because I did it. Just a little bit.
Never have I ever worked with someone I hated with the burning passion of 1,000 suns.
Yeah, true.
I don't think I have hated someone that much, but I have worked with people I didn't like.
Me too.
But not with that much passion.
Yeah, that's true.
Never have I ever punched someone.
No, I have punched someone, but I was very young. Because I used to watch Chinese movies, so I thought I knew Kung Fu, you know. And then my first fight, I was just like, so I punched them a bit, but they came to me, they were like, Futsek!
Oops. That was the end of you.
That was the end of my Kung Fu career, guys.
I have.
Really? Why?
Yeah. I used to fight a lot growing up, and because I was the big sister.
Oh my God.
So I had to fight my own fights. I had to fight their fights.
Wow.
And I used to get into a lot of trouble because spepe. And I grew up Kwamash.
Wow. So it explains it.
So a punch was like a take 5.
Yeah.
Never have I ever lied about my age.
Lied? No. Never.
I have.
I've never lied.
There's that age where everybody lies about their age.
Yeah,
you know that age where you are old, but you can still get away with paying a child price.
Yes.
But otherwise, it's either I don't reveal my age or
just lie. Just don't tell them. Yeah, it's true.
Tell them I wanted to lam. Never have I ever peed in a bed. What's the point of living if you have never peed in a bed?
Those are the dreams that come true, guys.
Yeah.
They come
the only dreams
very
that come
quick,
true.
exactly. Very quick, right there.
Never have I ever walked out of a movie because it was bad.
No, I've never.
I have.
Really? I don't want to waste my money.
I have.
I'll sit and watch the whole until the credits, until those ladies start cleaning, and I'm there like I'm here until it finishes.
I have.
Really? I don't know which movie is this.
You don't. Never have I ever slapped someone across the face. It's very similar to the punch.
Yeah, but I've never.
Never have I ever woken up in a strange place without remembering how I got there.
I've never.
Next.
No, you cannot just move like that.
Because I had been working, so I was so tired.
Yeah, because you just went, okay, alright.
Never have I ever played a game of cards.
What comes up with this question? we all have.
Never have I ever snooped through a friend's bathroom or bedroom without them knowing.
No, yeah.
We do it all the time.
Every time.
Every time. Don't leave me in your house and think I'm not gonna snoop. Never have I ever shoplifted.
I have. When I was a kid.
I have.
Really? You look so innocent.
I am innocent. We used to shoplift because it's used to. I don't know if I should call it shoplifting, but it was shoplifting.
It was shoplifting.
Because I had a friend who worked in a chicken franchise.
Oh, and then
when we were at uni. And every day at a certain time, she would take the chicken and put it in the bin for us to come and
yeah, that is not shoplifting. It's a favor.
Okay. Favor.
It's a favor.
Never have I ever had a crush on a friend's parent.
This is tricky, guys.
I'm from Kwamash. Most of my friends don't have fathers.
This is tricky.
Most of my friends don't have fathers. So
I see
who
what
was
you
I
did
to
there.
crush on?
I see what you did there. I have actually. She was gorgeous.
Tracy's mom. She's got it going on.
Oh man.
Never have I ever broken something at a friend's house and then not told them.
I have.
What did you break? Was it at my house?
No, it wasn't your house. No, it wasn't your house. It was like a mug. I don't know. It was a mug. Then I don't know what happened. Just really fragile. It just broke. And I was like, let's just put it back. So the next person probably broke it.
Therefore.
Don't invite me to your places.
Never have I ever regifted a gift that was given to me.
No, I've never.
I have.
Really?
Yeah, because sometimes you get double gifts. Sometimes someone buys you a gift, it's not the right size.
And then
or sometimes it's just something you do not like. Yeah. But it's nice. Someone else will like it.
Someone will like it. I've never done that. I keep everything.
Never have I ever gone to bed without brushing my teeth. If I never did that, I would have a perfect Colgate smile.
Yep.
You don't have to ask, you just have to look at my teeth.
You know.
Really? Never have I ever dined and dashed.
I don't want to answer that.
But it wasn't, for me, it was not intentional.
Really?
It was not intentional at all. We went for a friend's birthday dinner. She invited us and she made sure we all leave our purses. She always takes us out anyway. And we got there time to pay, she's nowhere to be found. Time to pay,
No,
where is Portia? Portia is gone.
She's gone.
And then the manager asked us to clean. And as we were about to finish cleaning the kitchen, washing the dishes and plates and everything, and mopping the floor, we were mopping the floor.
Wow.
And she came back and said, I just wanted to see you do that as a birthday present.
Who is this friend? I want
And
to
then
punch
she
this
paid.
friend.
And then she paid.
No, but did she pay you?
No.
Because you cleaned.
She wanted us to suffer for her birthday present.
Wow.
Do you want to do more, or will we do more in a different video?
Whatever, I'm up for it.
Never have I ever kissed someone of the same sex.
Nah. Never. Yeah, no. Do you want me to get arrested in Zimbabwe? I'll get arrested.
If you say the truth.
Yeah. No.
Never have I ever paid someone for sex or been paid for sex.
Okay, bye-bye.
How much did you pay? How much did you pay?
I'm never, guys. I'm never.
How
No.
much? Never have I ever slept in a bed with more than 5 people.
No, I have.
And it wasn't like that. It was at Granny's house.
Might
when all the
be like
cousins are over
that.
to
It
visit.
might be like that. You never know. You never know.
And it's so much so that even to this day, when we visit each other, the husbands know they have to take the spare room because we all want to share a bed.
Everybody's on bed because it's a shack.
Never have I ever taken nude photos of myself or someone else.
I have. Ooh, right angle. I was there the whole night. I took a video. I ended up taking
Of yourself or someone else.
Me.
And then you posted it.
No, I couldn't post it. It was the friend
What
was
did you
told
take it for? Okay. Okay. It just kept downloading.
Yeah, I kept.
Never have I ever had sex on an airplane.
No, I've never because I've only been on an airplane twice.
Twice?
No, I'm joking. Like 3 times actually.
3 times only?
Yeah.
I thought more.
No.
No, I have never. I've never. Never have I ever caught my parents doing it.
Never. Do you wanna know why?
By the time I was born, they were no longer together.
That was my line.
Never have I ever made a sex tape.
I was curious to see that. Oh yeah. I was so curious to see that.
Never have I ever had an STD.
I've never.
No. I have never. And it's not even touch wood. I'm careful like that. So that is it for now. Thank you very much,
It was
John.
nice. I feel like you know more about me now.
I know you sniff your underwear. I know it's you think about you now.
Oh my god, I sniff my underwear. Everybody does.
And it's not something I'm hoping to have to experience.
Well, you never.
Your underwear.
That's funny. Okay, cool.
Thank you so much, and thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe to our channels.
Yep. Long John World. Yes.
Okay.
And you know, obviously.
Thank you so much, and we love you. Don't forget to subscribe.
That's nice.